5-5-3-3, but with a twist. Oh! So 5s and 3s are a way we create linear fills, which just means one thing after the other in a drum fill. 5s mean right, left kick. 3s mean right, left kick. So here is the twist. Normally, in these patterns, we play the right hand as an accent and the left hand as a little ghosty goo. But I'm going to switch it up for this fill, and I suggest you do if you haven't already. It sounds so good. Oh my God. So the sticking's going to remain the same. So 5 is still right, left kick, but you're only going to accent the last left hand. It gets dangerous out here, people. It's getting dangerous. And you're going to play 2 of those, and the accent's going to be on the high tom. The rest is on the snare drum. So 2 in a row. Now we come to the 3-3 part of 5-5-3-3. The first 3 I'm going to play as a normal one, so I'm going to accent the right. And I'm going to play that right on a floor tom. And then I'm going to play right, left kick again, but this time I'm going to accent the left. Ooh. And once you put that together, it's filth. Filth! You're going to have to do some speedy footwork at the end because you've got 2 bass drums, one on the a 4, and then probably on 1 when you hit a crash. But there you have it. Take it slow, make sure the dynamics are sounding mwah, belle, and take it away. Up to speed. You are so welcome. God, that sounds cool.